Hi everyone, welcome to hashtag Junk No More. This is an open collaboration run by Turquoise Dreaming Sheree and also Maria's Miscellany. I will link both their channels down below and anyone can participate. Basically, we're using junk and we're making, I guess, a junk journal out of junk. So I had started mine with the paper bag. And I did use some Kirby Teasdale paper, but some of these things I made for other collabs like this, I used a used uh, vinyl or whatever it is, paper holder. I had used two of them, and the other thing was this, which is a tag in a pocket. The tag I had made previously, but the pocket, no. So for today, we were supposed to use old keys. And I used to have old keys, but I think I either got rid of them or put them somewhere I could never find them again. So, but I did remember I have Tim Holtz. I had the keys and I had the keyholes. And I had used them before at least once. So let me show you what I did. I put the keyhole actually on Brad's through the cover. I have not taped them down or anything yet because I don't know. But I did glue this down with a little smelly E6000, and same with this little one here. It's still drying actually. And then um, this is junk because I got it off packaging before. This is not. This I just bought at a Dollar Tree not too long ago in my Dollar Tree hauls. It's cotton yarn. I just wanted to tie this around, like wrap it around a few times. So I have 3 times in case. I don't know what I'm doing for signatures in this book yet. We haven't discussed what the next prompts are. There's a prompt every month. So I'm kind of trying to do it in order. And it's hard to hold back now that I've done a junk journal entirely. But I'm going to hold back. So I just wrapped it around 3 times, tied it up here, and then I tied, this was a little piece of junk twine. It's all that was left of it in my little bin I have. And this is off that pink ribbon. And I just tied them on. That way I can untie them if I need to at some future point. So I used um, 4 little keys here plus 1 here, so 3 up here. They're 2 different styles. This one is the style of, see, now that came untied, didn't it? No, it's still tied, sorry. I'm losing it. Anyway, there's a little one and then the big one, and the big one, I put it on long enough so that if you had to, you could unlock the book. I thought about using that for the book closure, but I can't put it down here because I already have a pocket there. So it's just going to be decorative, and I don't think I'll actually have a book closure on this particular one, or it won't be that kind of closure. So that is my little project for the keys, to be determined if I leave it like that or do, like, I don't know if they're going to have tassel as one of the things, in which case I'll do a nicer tassel than this. But I was just trying to, because you know I do beading and stuff, I was trying to just stick with the keys. It was old keys, but I just used vintage style Tim Holtz keys and keyhole. So I hope you enjoyed. Please go check out Maria and Sheree. Sheree, I don't know how she says it. I always get that messed up. Sorry, Sheree. I think it's just Sheree. Anyway, that's my project on my hashtag Junk No More junky journal made out of a paper bag. And I think there's something inside. Oh, yes, there was a paper from receiving stickers for a planner years ago that I put under here for some substance. And then this bag came in packaging from an order I got from somewhere. I forget now. Anyway, I'm making progress. All right, guys, take care. See you next time. Hugs, love, and peace.